Hey guys, it's George, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be testing out the Kiss French Acrylic Sculpture Kit. So I picked this up for £11 in Superdrug and I'm just going to see if I can do acrylic nails on myself. So if you want to see how this turns out, then please keep watching, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, so this is the kit that I got. It is the Kiss French Acrylic Sculpture Kit, and I've never done fake nails on myself before, so we're just gonna have to give this a go. So when opening the kit, you get the acrylic powder, you get some nail glue to obviously like apply the tips. So you get this little brush. This is actually a lot smaller than I thought it would be, but hopefully it's fine. And then we get the acrylic liquid, the monomer thing, some nail tips, a nail file and buffer, a little cuticle pusher baccarat thing, and also some instructions. So that is everything that comes in the kit. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, for £11 I actually think that's pretty decent, and if you can do a good set of nails with it, then that's really good. So like I said before, I've actually never done my own nails before, so I have no idea how this is going to turn out. Like, I've never used acrylic, so I don't really know how this is going to go, but we are going to attempt to give it our best shot. So to start with, I've literally cut down all my nails because I'm going to apply tips and taken off any nail varnish of them, so obviously they look really dry, but that is because they've got nothing on them and you need to have them like not looking great for starting to do nails. But yeah, so I'm going to read the instructions and then we're going to get started. Okay, so step one of the nails is to push all your cuticles back using the stick thing, and then to buff your nails with the pink side of the nail file. So I'm not really one for like doing my cuticles. I normally just like leave them to their own devices, but we'll give it a go. Okay, and then once your nails are kind of like looking a bit like this, you need to get some acetone based nail varnish remover and just clean up all the like dust and stuff like that. Okay, and then next it's time to move on to the nails. So basically you need to measure up the nails that fit your nails and then glue them on. Oh no, I opened them the wrong way. So I am going to be using the natural tips for this. So basically what you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to pick out your size and sort of like lie them up so they're easy to glue on. And now the tips are all on, we're just going to cut them down and file them to shape. Okay, now that I have cut them down quite a lot, I've also just cut the edges off just to help sort of like build that coffin shape. So now I'm just going to take my nail file and file them all down. I am just using a different nail file just because this is a bit more like gritty. And also I'm going to file down these bits a little bit just because they stick out quite a lot, so just to make them a bit more smooth against the nail. So that is the next step. Okay, so here is when I actually start trying to apply the acrylic. So as this is my first time, I kind of just read the instructions and sort of just tried it out in different ways. So what I did is I just dipped my brush in, wiped off the excess, dipped it into the powder until a like bead formed, put that on my nail, and then just tried to spread it out as evenly as possible, and then I just repeated these steps on each nail. So I've just done like the first step, and I don't think it actually looks like that bad. I think my pink hair ruined a little bit, but I'm sure I can like file that and fix it. But I'm gonna do another coat of acrylic and then file them. So I'll come back once I have finished the next set of acrylic. So this is what the final nails are looking like. I don't actually think they look too bad, you know. Like for my first ever attempt at acrylic nails, I actually think they're alright. So now I'm just gonna file them down, like smooth out the top bit and make sure the shape is good, and then we're gonna paint them. Okay, so these are my nails currently. I actually don't think they look bad, you know. I'm hoping they'll look even better like once I've painted them and stuff. So I'm gonna paint them with this gel nail varnish. It's just like a baby pink, and then dry them in my little machine thing. Okay, so I have finished my nails. This took me 2 hours from like starting to stopping, so quite a long time. But this is the finished result. As you can see, like they don't look awful. I think for a first attempt at acrylic nails, they're actually not too bad. And this set was only £11 from Superdrug, so really cheap, really affordable, especially as like nail places aren't open at the moment, and if you just like fancy doing your nails whilst we're in lockdown, then I'll definitely give it a go. So I had to drive somewhere to pick it up. They do this like 30-minute click and collect, so just see where your nearest store is and then you can get it that way. But yeah, super easy. I am happy with the outcome, and yeah, very beginner friendly because I've obviously never done this before, but I thought it actually turned out quite well. I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you next time.